economics is one of those degree courses you'll do in Kenya. And you hear from many graduates that it's not marketable. You find in a lecture hall, you are 1,000 of you doing the same course. You graduate and find thousands of you are jobless. Now your question is, how can you make yourself marketable with a degree in economics? Of course, you can do Bachelor of Economics, Bachelor of Statistics and Economics, Finance and Economics. But as long as economics is there, it will bother you. I'm going to tell you some of the things you'll do in order to make yourself marketable in Kenya. If you're doing economics, this is one of the things you can do. One of them is to ensure that you don't fail in the university. Ensure you don't get second lower or pass. Get second upper or first class. If you get first class, the better. The moment you get first class and you apply for graduate trainee positions, you'll almost automatically get a chance to do interview. Then from there, you can ensure that you pass those interviews. So that is one route you can take. The second one, if you get second upper and above, you can join masters and PhD, and later on you become a scholar, a researcher, or a lecturer. So it's easier to go that route. But if you get second lower, you'll have to wait for 2 years so that you can join masters. And those 2 years you must get experience, which is hard to get in the modern world. Then another route which is working for so many graduates is going for Chartered Financial Analyst course, CFA. Once you do that course, do masters in finance, then you'll get jobs. CFA is hard and very few people can do the course. So once you have it, you have your masters, you can work in the Capital Markets Authority, Nairobi Securities Exchange, banks, investment banks, insurance companies, government institutions. Several of them can employ you. So that is the best route I can advise anyone taking economics in the Kenyan university. The best. So another route, you want to work in the audit firms. Go graduate with a good grade. Once you get your good grade, second upper or a first class, go and do a course, professional course, which is recognized internationally. One of them is ACCA. Another one is Certified Fraud Examiner. You can do Certified Internal Auditor. Those three, any of them. Once you do them, then start looking for a job in banks, insurance companies, and audit firms. Then you are more marketable and you can get a job. But I know most of you can prefer CPA. But the bad thing about CPA, everyone has CPA, especially Bachelor of Commerce graduates. So if you do these other courses which are recognized internationally, then you make yourself marketable. Another thing you can do is to look for scholarships abroad. Get your first class and look for a scholarship in the UK, in the US, Australia, Canada, Finland, those countries. Those countries have got good education, and once you graduate with a master's or PhD, it is easy for you to get a job in Kenya because those universities are more recognized and respected than majority of Kenyan universities. Students, if you find a graduate from UK looking for a job in Kenya, that person is selected for interviews, almost every interview they apply for, because they are known to be more competent. So that is how you can make yourself marketable with Bachelor of Economics degree. Another route you can take, which is somehow risky, is to get another job available. You don't have to be an economist. Just go to banks and look for any job. Go to IT companies. You can specialize in this IT certification, ethical hacker. We have data science and many others you combine with economics. Then join there. Once you join any sector, if it's banking, then that one will determine the direction you're going to take. And that is the route I can advise you to take. And it's among the best. Another way you can make yourself marketable is to do online work. Remote jobs are there. You can open a YouTube channel like this and share your knowledge, your skills. And then when people know you, they will give you jobs. So those are ways in which you can market yourself with an economics degree. But let nobody cheat you that this course cannot take you anywhere. It can give you jobs. It depends on how you position yourself in the job market.